It's hot here at Paultons Park. And no, that wasn't helped by making it look like I was leaving early when actually I had put an extra 1,000 steps on because I left the camera in the car. That was a stupid move on a hot day, but we're here at Paultons Park for Round with the Vikings. Of course, progress is kicking on, as you can imagine. Look at that. We're going to take you on Cobra, and then we're going to take you on Magma. We're going to do it the other way around today. Magma isn't spinning, or is sometimes quarter spinning, so we've got to gauge the seat just right, and we'll get you some views of what's going on here on the restaurant shop area, and of course the Draken station, which is really going up. More decor is indeed going in this side. Obviously my love for Cobra starts my adventure here at Paultons Park. A lot of buildings got up. He's just told us at the front, in fairness, a lot of steel's gone up. Look at that. That building is a lot taller than I thought it would be. Whoop. Still quite a lot of steel to go up as well. Yes, I will remember I'm on the ride today. We will definitely have to throw some stills in from this one. It's just begging for some track now, isn't it? That's what it wants. So again, this is all just, you can see this is roofing that's down here and cladding that's ready to go on the side of the restaurant here. It's not a massive development on this land yet, but quite frank, we wouldn't really expect it, to be honest with you. There's lots of wood down below as well, which you might be able to see, ready for fascias, and you'll be able to see on the building when we have a close look in a minute that a lot of wood fascia is going on that, and of course the Cobra building has randomly started spinning again, but there it is. Now, as we can see, this building has really come together, and so has that one over there, with more going in as we speak. And there it's given up again, so we can get a good look now of the bay. Bless Magma. It's not having the best of days, but we've stopped at a reasonable point where we can actually see what's going on. Now, I have to say the height of the building is a bit bigger than I anticipated. We'll get a closer look of it shortly. And of course the wooden cladding going onto the side of this one as well. Lots going on here. It's not a track yet. The outside of the Cobra building does really give you an indication of kind of the detail that's going to go on to it, the fascia in matching with the plans which are right there. Quite a lot going on, quite a lot happened since we last here, and of course they are cutting this all on site. Literally cutting it on site over there for it to fit in. We'll take a closer look over there in a second. You can probably see the imposing structure of the station for Draken. But here is the work ongoing here, and of course we saw from inside the Cobra building there is the window going in there. So yeah, actually, again, amazing. It's July. And the fascia's coming along really well here. We can't wait, obviously, to see the finished product, but every week goes by, more and more is happening. Let's get you some close-ups of what's going on over there. I'm not entirely sure what this is, whether this is going to be for crane, maybe? Here is a great look at the Draken station, really going up. When we go around the other side and you can see the artwork at the same time, you'll see, well, you'll start to see exactly it making shape. It's got up really quick. It's been a week since we were last here for the basic frame. There's not many bits of metal after our ride on Cobra left over here. It's going up very quick. Here we are around the other side. I would just say, actually, the chain fence has gone from here. I'm not going to step right up to there because I don't really need to be honest with you. And we can see kind of where it is. So here is the entrance to Drac on the coaster as we come across here. We can see actually I think it's a lot taller than what I thought it would be. It's not all in yet, there's definitely a little bit more to go on here, and then you can see kind of the side pieces being added from here up to here. A lot bigger. We will get you an over the fence view. We don't really need to get any close-ups today, but I tell you, it is quite cool looking at kind of the station and the inward bound from where the coaster comes back in here, and then of course you'll go back out there. It's a really good view through the structure of seeing that, so we will get a close-up of that one. But a lot's happened in the last week. I'm easily suckered by a good shot of where I know the coaster's going to come in, and actually this is going to be the view right here. But from there we have a look at the restaurant shop area, and you can see the wood is going on the side of here as well. Plenty of work down on Cobra, and now plenty of work coming on here. Actually it fits in the grooves quite nicely, doesn't it? And we will start seeing bits done on this. Again, we'll get you an overview, but actually we don't need to get any close-ups today particularly, as there's not massive amounts to look at on site. Everything is now starting to go vertical. There we have it. We have a close-up, well, an overlook at the building there, and of course the building here. And honestly, there's not a lot on the ground to show you, to be fair. Groundwork over here is done, which we kind of already knew. Groundwork over there is pretty much done, which we already knew. We're just watching it go up now. How long it will be before we see track or supports or anything, I don't know, but it has been really good looking at the fascias going, particularly over at Cobra, and indeed the toilet block as well, because, you know, that is arguably what the final theme's going to look at. Yeah, can't wait to see that. Now, a quick special mention, we won't film over there because it's a children's ride over there, but the seals, last time we were here, they were rebuilding the cabin for it, which is great to see in the middle of the season, and that's now been completed as well. So yeah, it's just amazing how much work they get done as the season goes on here at Paultons. Beautiful park, beautiful day. I've done too many steps because I left the camera in the car, but I've had a wonderful time. I've ridden some rides, and next time I come back, I have a feeling this will be even bigger.